Hi, my name is Joel Ramirez. Explic and practice number 2, unit 2. And line number 2 is declare the start of the mind from class higher from 1. Yes. And line number 3, and define the function the executed with the button llenado. Button is cracking. Yes. And line number 4, start the if condition if running timer vaciado is not active and the progress bar valued. Yes, and progress one valued is less t is maximum and valued. Yes, and line number 5, if the condition is met, set the filing timer interval. Timer is llenado to 75 milliseconds. Yes, and timer sorry, line number 6, and start the filing timer llenado. Line number 7, and the if condition, and 8, and the procedure. uh, Line number 10, and define the function then exacted with the button vaciado. Yes, and button is cracking. Line number 21, start if condition. If the failing timer llenado, yes, and is not active and the progress bar valued is greater than 0 and is now empty. Yes. Line number 12, if the condition is met, sets the draining timer interval to 75 milliseconds. And line number 13, start the draining timer is vaciado. Line number 14, if the first condition was not met, check if the progress bar value is equal to 0 empty. Yes. Line number 15, display a message window and indicate the time is empty. Line number 16, and if the condition, and 17, and is the precedent. La número 19 es and define the function ten exactitud with the button detener. Button is clicker. Line number 20, stop the filling timer. Yes, and 21, stop the draining timer. 22, and the procedure. Yes. The number 24, define the function the exacted on x-train 75 segundos interval of the timer llenado and timer. Yes. Line number 25, start the first condition of the progress bar value has not reached the maximum. Line number 26, increment the progress. Yes, bar value be 1 unit the box text 1 and progress and value updated the ticks in the box 1 to show the current bar value. Number 27, and unrated the text in the box 1 to show the current bar value. Number 28, and the first condition. And 29, start the second condition if the value as reached the maximum is full. 30, stop the filing as the progress is finished. and and the second condition and the pressure is explico line number 34. Define the function. Define the function then executed on each tick of timer vaciado on timer. The number 35. Start the first condition is progress bar value is greater than or not empty. And 36. Decrement the progress bar value by 1 unit. And 37. Updates the next int box 1 to show the current bar value. Y pues line number 38 and the first condition, and 39 start the second condition of the value is equal to 0 and empty. 40 and stop the running timer as the progress and finish it. Y pues second condition is anti-proxury. Line 44. Define the function that is active when the button limpiar button is clicked. And 45. Start the condition if the fully or running timer activer. Yes. 46. Return if after of timer is active, the function terminates immediately. Is all those not if our progress is ongoing. Yes. In condition progress valued. Line number 48. If there are no active progress, set the progress bar value to 0 empty and clear the connect of the box 1, the text box. And line number 52. Define the function that exactly when a button salir button is clicked. Line number 53. Start the condition if the filing or running timer is active. 54. Return if an after of the timer is active, the function terminates immediately. Is thus not how the application to close. The number 56. If the are not type progress close the correct from. Yes. And it was aligned to pressure and the division from class. Variable progress is next criteria base is simulator is run and simulator. Yes. Ready and llenado in exam detener limpiar llenado tener vaciado limpiar is salir. Yes. Explain and finish and practice number 2. Thank you.